Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're going to be focusing on how to remove your wing mirrors. This is for the Audi A6, S6 or RS6. This is the C5, both the Saloon and the Avant. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to be able to gain access to releasing the wing mirrors is the door card panel on the interior here does have to be removed. To allow you to do that, you've got to remove the switch first, the window switch, and then the door card. Now if you're unsure how to remove your door card, it's actually very easy on this particular model, thankfully. It's one of the easiest that Audi have done in regards to removal of door cards. We've already filmed a video of doing this door card removal for you, so if you're unsure how to do it, we'll add a link for you below this video on YouTube. There'll be a link there, so if you're unsure how to do it, go and check that link out. Thankfully you can remove these door cards in 5 to 10 minutes, so it's not a big job at all. So get your door card removed, get to this stage, so we're ready to continue, and then we can focus 100% on the wing mirror. So with the door card removed, you can see we've actually in the top corner here next to the wing mirror got an electrical connection, so we'll just give that a wiggle side to side, get that removed. Like so. So that was removed, so we've got some good access. We don't have to worry about the electrical connection when we take it out in a few minutes. So next we've got this little plastic triangular cover in behind the mirror here. This is held in with kind of one post, which is almost dead centre. It's facing almost directly towards you as you do this. So if you just pull the whole thing straight, like so, you can see the socket and the little post there that sits inside that. Just pull that whole thing towards you and put that to one side. So with the plastic cover out of the way, you may or may not sometimes have this plastic insert. We had it on the passenger side, not on the driver's side. What you want to do is lift that up out of situ, give it a bit of a wobble, and then there's the electrical connector there if you do have the foam insert. So then next we've got this little bolt on the inside here, just under the cover we've removed. This is a size 10 spline bit, which is one of these types of bits right here. So what you want to do is just pop that in, and just gently slacken that off. Now at this stage you don't want to remove it completely, because the wing mirror obviously will start to drop on the other side. So I've just slacken that off, so now I can control it with my fingers. Then I'm going to go around to the other side and remove it from the outside. Okay, so now we slacken that bolt off a little bit. You'll see we've got a little bit of movement in the mirror. So what I'm going to do is just hold it in situ now. And I'm going to undo the bolt on the rear by hand. And then what you'll find when you're just seeing it for yourself when you're having a look at the bolt, just below that was the obviously you've got your electrical connector, and then there's like a little square section that the electrical connector passes through. I'll show you that from this side now. So if you give this a little bit of a wobble from side to side, it does have a kind of a foam insulation on the inside, like so. And then what you want to do is start to pass the electrical connector through at the same time. Like so, you've got that rectangular hole in there, so the whole thing will come through like that. So as you can see, it's actually quite easy to remove these on the A6, S6 and RS6 platform. That's quite a nice easy DIY job to do on these. So there you go, that is your wing mirror completely removed.